Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So as you can see, we have a box here. So today I'm going to unbox another Lumia phone. So I bought this phone from Facebook Marketplace, and I have paid around $13 for this, and this is an used phone. The condition was not that good. He said just the back panel is little scratched, so let's check it. And as you can see here, I have a Lumia 625 which I bought few weeks ago around similar price, but this is a new phone, not a used phone. So the packaging is like this, and let's check the phone first. I have planned to update this phone to Windows 10. So my Lumia 625 is running on Windows 8.1, but I have planned this phone to update to Windows 10 because there is no engineering SLB file for this phone, so I can't really use it as a Windows 8.1 because I cannot install any apps on it. So that's why I'm going to update it to Windows 10. So the phone is here. So we have the phone here, and it's actually looking good. The button is clicking right, and let's check the back panel. So as you can see, the back panel is broken, actually not that good, and he said that the back panel is not that good. So yes, we have the battery and other things, and everything is looking good as shown in the picture. So let's try to boot it up and check it. So we got the Microsoft logo here. So as you can see here, this is my Lumia 625 which is running on, I think, Windows 8.1 update 1, and this one has, I have unlocked the bootloader and everything, and I have installed many software here. But for this phone, I don't have any kind of file for this phone to unlock the bootloader. So the engineering SLB file for this phone is not here. So that's why I'm not going to update, not going to use it as a Windows 8.1, and I have to update it to Windows 10. So I will make a video, another method of updating Windows 10, Windows 8 10 from 8.1. So now I need to change the language, but I don't know how to change the language. Yes, I think from here I can change it. Okay, sorry, the language you are seeing right now, that one is Thai language, but I don't know Thai, so it's really hard for me to figure it out. Now change the language first. English. Okay, English United States. I think I have to reboot the phone after that. Chai. So I have changed the language, but it's not yet changed. But I think this is the language for, okay, language English. Basically this phone is running on Windows 8.1 GDR2 version, I think, because which comes with GDR2, and GDR2 update is only you can find on few devices. Not all the Lumia devices got GDR2 update. So that is quite, GDR2 update is quite unique from 8.1 because there are little more feature than Windows 8.1. So that's quite good, but basically I'm not going to use the Windows 8.1 right now. As I said, there is no engineering SLV3 file for this phone, so I can't really install any apps like this phone here in Windows 8.1. so I really need to update it to Windows 10. So we have changed the language. Let's check the version. So actually the display is quite nice because it's a clear black display and it looks great, not that bad, better than this one. The resolution is very bad, and as you can see the viewing angle also, so it's look little washed out, this display, but this display is much more clear. So go to about first. Oh shit, everything is Thai. So about phone, as you can see it's running on 8.1 update 2, and this one running on into 8.1 I think update 1, and version is, let's check the version. About, okay, so hopefully you can see 8.1 update, this one's 8.1 update 2, and version is I think 15.15137. This one is 14, I think 14 to 119. So this is the latest version for this. And also this is not the latest version for this because this is officially supported by Windows 10. So I'm going to update it to Windows 10. So that's it for right now. I will upload a video about updating this phone to Windows 10 in different method. I have already shown one method how you can update the phone, but I will show different method. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.